Hey guys, today let's learn how to stop Spotify playing random songs on the iPhone. So if you do have a Spotify subscription and you want to go ahead and stop Spotify because you get annoyed of the random songs that keep on playing on the Spotify application on your iPhone device, well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this issue step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how, when you go on a specific playlist or when you search for a specific song on the Spotify application, what we can do to basically change the option of the Spotify keep on playing random songs is a double check. If we have the shuffle button turned on, now the shuffle button is gonna basically allow Spotify to shuffle through these specific songs related to this genre and give you songs related to the genre as well. So if you don't want that to happen, all we need to do is to turn this off and gonna plead the song as well, and also other songs by order over here, as you see on this specific playlist. Now that also applies when you search for specific songs over here, and you do have this turned on. It will suggest a related genre or songs in the same genre to you so well. That's all you guys need to know. And that's basically for this video. Think away from watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.